yɛda obi bia se sɛ ogu so a wogye brɛ na wohwɛ na wotie deɛ ɛkɔ so ma menkyia ɛyɛ kumawade hyɛ and bɛrima safo twene akodua and a new member of parliament also mekyia wo ana adehyia wo nso kɔ aben also anopɛ mi da mase sɛ mahwɛ sɛ yɛntimi practice an illegality in terms of mining ɛwɔ kɔ aben asase so kwa abia de hye edamu nyina amase na menchia afo fo nyina so ahema ewo ho nyina titru akire so hema anafi miami de number 1 and 2 machia mu nyina so ahema ewo ne ahemfo ewo no baka cho sa afo ye kwanim say under his excellence Nathan Kwakufuado any Supreme Court judge ne ba kwa be kan wafo enti enche ye be outdoor no big time who be dwuru big time ko enye easy na yasanya Dr. Frida Prempe ana ene NDC amanyu ko no so consider Eric Opoku as a running mate alongside Julius Debrane or Senator ne ona kanyina enti onyame ya adoma ahafo onyame ya adoma ahafo so the likely will say benya a running mate from ahafo no yenko so mompae yedi abam no kra no ni monyam hye enti yenyere
one among informations
Ugrite akwaba
munya
ada ahafo no wo mu na ye problem
na not really what I'm saying is that
so allow us the space to speculate.
No.
Allow us a space. Oh, they say Nipa phone about frontliners. No.
No, frontliners. Why not?
Nipa phone.
Preferred
candidates as running mates for John Dramani Mama. It's out there.
No, about out.
No, I don't know. Mami de Soko. Oh, Nyadam, but he's done a bit. Why be?
Oh,
but we share the history of NDC. So the same running.
I moved to me for the same candidate.
Well, I don't think the Mami de obey me.
Oh, so Mami no. What's the person who use feminine with the buy?
No. But still, even with the considerations, as a natural is count, or more running mate partner in
oh,
it doesn't change them. That is the politics for you.
When this is politics,
I think they'll settle on her with an appointment.
Remember,
because remember because you allow the MPP to do their flag raising. But constituency come on.
Adom.
So the only quite challenge.
Hey, everywhere.
That's all marketing money
yeah, serious. Everywhere. You see no cry, no cry. Asama, you have a problem. From Akusi, because it was Akusi. Akusi.
Oh yes.
Akusi, one of the oldest towns. Ewo Ghana hanu.
Kache
hodumu na ye wo habo ni bibia the oldest hospital. Ewo hodumu. Prisons ni ade nyina. But ye kwan no terrible.
Oklite kache hotel for no say KNUST so omunya bote because omo kontokwa.
When
omo kontokwa enti omo postpone na omo sala jaba do
postpone about what?
Anya about one sense mi ai. Nti fashion se pimo Broja Jemfini Pablo ni fascists.
Well, but
so appeal to them.
Some of them are misbehaving.
Oh, I see.
And you know, I don't know. If you are my friend, maybe I know what is going on. But I hope say, Musuma Jabin Gugum and Kokakazama started Pablo anyway fashion yeah what's that here
but see the fashion is not the problem that bad the project every fashion the Pablo fashion tibia fashion bia ko ya allow
because
but what's the interest in
I don't think that there's any issue. Recently, we're organizing very brilliant programs. But we say, and it no mamun ka jebi angum
Dr. Badwam Akwaba
ale udin fufuro no
yeah
se se do fi walwale ana say
Dr. Badwam
me kura ya me
here say we are part of a year ni
bibia ni nyina bibia say ye ni me competitor and his excellency John Mahama Badwam so na bit me etu no Dr. Badwam na bit me bi ni against John Mahama Inti my Oshano wan kebi because me ka that say I they will see them I tempted
Debbie
yeah ka say ka edi ofi asem
John Mahama obo ni din tina na
that way asem
so how do you feel John Mahama Badwam?
Well,
that is the case.
The point is that the person whoever they bring no
the life you say Dr. Badwam
well let me say una account.
So the resolve the party.
I choose free. Some your poster. No me catch to say. Where the dead the people say bit my Dr. Badwam.
Unim. Paul say we Ghana hanu no. Yeah me hwe no. Mienu.
Because Ghana for the young one. Okay. Ghana for the year cast that you dey
What we Central Region?
Jabi Adoma Shinani we Central Region.
So if Dr. Badwam can say, let us all be one. Now you rally behind ourselves as a party persons. Because it should depend in where we are.
It has been part of Dr. Badwam's message to the party people from Greater Accra. The first constituency of Koya was to East. That has been part of his message. Because of my unim Dr. Mahmoud Abi, unim so no ho ya homete. And Ebano Ahobrase na ekon fa so de normal. And his position on all of this has been said, I can see the eba nipa na kokopre. Then you should make sure say in our engagement, it will be issues based. Kadienti a ofi say una osefata se obedi party nedim. Na ye party for no so hwe na empape mu ayeden amba because ultimately no ye wi akensi here ye nyina nipedu ni nyina no mochita for ye be kabom na ye da kofisi NDC and his excellency John Dramani Mahama. And it has been a complete feature in every single constituency. I come so far I Greater Accra in area. Yeah, Ashanti region. Yeah, Western region. And then China you be wrap up Central region. If you want to see Eastern region. And throughout the campaign, the message has been one of unity. It's what they believe say kai hubom na ye dey adwen baako akoma baako as a political party echo the next elections. There is no absolute way His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the performance may be worse than the past elections. And it all depends on how we put ourselves together as a political party. Me, I'm a believer of contest. I'm a believer of contest, and that's why anytime I'm in engagement, even with the NDC, I believe say yenka some city. Because my nipa want some yenka no. Obi kura kotoba because otensin yenefe. So obi wo kotoba because me tietia no enefe. Nje to le bia enyam tokwa ye beko. Of course. Ene kasentwie be kanu ne ma nipa no kotoba ba na tie wa no kotoba ma. You know, and the best thing to ensure see ebenya ekuo baako ne ɔman baako in one piece no ɛne sɛ yɛbɛ ma yɛ kasa no ho ate na yɛtumi ama nkabom na ɛwɔ hɔ no because ekuo deɛ the understanding is sɛ mu nyinaa madwen ɛkɔpɛ nkorɔ in terms of principles ne ideals and philosophies nti ɛnkɔba sɛ bi ɛkɔ akansie nti no na yɛde kasantwie kasa ɛho nte ɛne adeɛ ɛsa na ɛnyɛ fɛ and that's been his advocacy.
Next stop after Central.
Oh, Kwesi the Eastern region.
Kwesi
the Eastern region. Yeah, all the 33 constituencies. And I'm saying so far, Dr. Badwam Mpensenpensemu the candidate occur every constituency. You know, any party for.
Or running alongside official duties.
Yes. He's running it alongside. Oh, occur no aba ejuma. Occur no aba. Now don't forget to say on the road. So yeah, ejuma. And do I say, we commissioning of projects be even in the Central region. Yeah, inspection of projects in the Central region.
There's a thin line between abusing incumbency and then running his private focus.
He understands. He acknowledges it.
What is saying?
Anything over here, your campaign, in a basket, see about white to my round to make sure say that fine line a fine line. I agree with you, but to make sure that fine line would be at least there will be efforts to remain on that fine line. Because whether you like it or not, there is nowhere in the world that Omampeni and Omampeni abedichiri elections. I can say elections in T. You have draw state protection. I know you are trivializing the issues. So long as you remain the president, I call Omampeni John Dramani Mahama. So 2016 elections, and the 2012 elections, no. Will be Uncle Kase elections. It to be a sad, but the cost of running war campaign. And then the cost of making sure that we coordinate with campaign there. Dr. Mahmoud Bamia is as Entina ono say Unyaya Uncle Tuka and the bars and go. But security for to say that Mampeni Mama even now cry as Mampeni for no as a Macanasa what can say a month as a Juma or Mampeni for and then the cry or Mampeni that let me use very well. Tunica cry Bambo for bed. Everybody home by whether he likes it or not. And see that is it. Otherwise, I can say Oko living so by Mbofon sign a moment in the cheap because living here for the private way. Okay. But for the campaign, we are using the bus. We are running it based on donations and contributions. Amount for Edema, we say your launch short code start 202#. Your day mobilizing resources to support Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia campaign. And so far. Me say Mr. Machibe for na me be computer na me hwe e drop aside be mu contribute 1 cedi 10 cedi 20 cedi 1000 cedis 5000 cedis to support the cause, and that's what we are running on.
All right, me that's it. Okay, tell me come
on. Certainly menya bibia kan o we dey na kan ni nyina no fa ye nyina yo because yesi hene na say wo na oya nyansafo na wa mfa ho anyinwa esi obadanfo ohinia osimungu didi wo ball aso a we ho no
interested.
Yeah, we'll be interested, and we are interested in everything that we but Mechia Mampenyin Dada, our incoming president John Dramani Mahama and only members of parliament share very good interaction in the morning and Sana Yeko parliament. All the indications are very clear. So, come what may, Bawumia, Allah know what about Yamiti Asidi in himself, John Dramani Mahama, and I'll the next president. And Ramiti say, Binukratunu, actually, Ababio,
second coming.
Yes, of John Mahama, and Michiano.
The victory of the NDC
is coming again. Na Uncle Tom Airport, or Simin Kanjo Chiao. Also Chiao Pa. Na many say Sisi no Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia obo say politics no anya very civil. Intra-party ni intra-party and inter-party no nyina say civil. I say hwe na nsem bi wo hono ma yenka because they say media space no we dey the obeka bia no eba bebo akire one day na megidi say hwe dey ekoso a omo reply wo ho afi omo calling for truth no some of them no ka ho akana o ka ho no omo starting e kan say ono no ko say friend say Tama, ye Supreme Court, ye hwe Allah no mu nyina adwane ono no ko akoye ono go na ko ono sa no kan o ja bu tema bi ono kan ono bunya butre no ena wasa go ke bibi
o mai stop you na bo ne ye ma komo ne ye de dia waka no ye obi aka no kai mi na sa
onu kwa se o kasa otimi
o de bi sa on de o bene ne de
David waka asema o si ono ne ko kan ase
on kan say se me
o so ko kan ase
o kan say na Supreme Court tama wo mo hwehwe amon for be di adanse e wo Supreme Court na Allah no mo ne wo mo maka ni nyadwane they couldn't find them o si where o si
the it's not true, so I think you should
ono kan
oh my, it's not true, so correct him. Why and
then the for contest wrongly but
no contest wrongly on car side
what did I say e bire bi suya na e penipa amoma ko gina mu
wo mo gina say o mo hin
one form
on kasa
o kasa se no wa ka this so one form mo je na make catch every na party ni penipa ama o makoginem e wo court okoe en ne ko boss afode no and onipa be no ka
omo ka wo se omo you see ekutia
awadi ba ba ko honorable nipa yetem ba no pe bi o sorry papa you see awuke bi abedu mu also tagreje na ya kwaya no mafa ba umia nko
they want to prompt mu say ba umia de omo enye kra nko mo mfa
no we are not no
and you are excited about
we are not choosing candidates for them. The ambassador whoever they bring, be it Alan, be it
but yet say what do they item you pick on, pick you.
Well, because no faba.
Because can some guy.
What kind of
he hasn't said that. What you're saying.
Japan reply on no maybe
okay, so young home
what you part in Brazil.
The conversation is still up again. This time
but you know the American said I would plead with all of us. In politics, no, my will do intra no. May pray say and no a more civil change internal. Okay. Because at the end of the day, Parliament you say we disagree to agree. But say when it goes beyond that, no, and on issues near there, now say one. And to me, okay, so we say uni ni pano be ba ko ye bibi na catch and only bibia e wo hono sisi a
okay all right
ya dwe ni here and it is not about just intra but it should be inter.
All right, so we could try one by back to one common so I say 20 minutes after 8 I Badwam on Adom TV multi TV so no kono pepe Macau say game pack for Adaroma e be called national lotteries for one aso na fiat makodi nkomo e honom e diaba. Okay, so click per bottom top approach na on this housing project. Yeah. It's so dear to a lot of Ghanaians, especially who said the deficit about if you own some. What would you know? I'm paying pound to mano. I will focus on what team wants me. What share on my paying didn't you? What just ugly me ho? Eddie got to us at the force. What is I want to see? Yeah,
Medasi, Mohini, once again, Michia, for any woman here. But I'm say, mechanics say, on mine, Ghana, we have missed a very important opportunity, a very good opportunity to reconcile ourselves when it comes to say projects. I think the president should have done better. Because minim the mathematics I come and minim actual as our my year near day and at the basis all the can say your year now to be more expensive than the new one on Babisi. Finally, I have the document with me. It has not been approved by Parliament yet. Now here proposals near banner. We are assassina yet Babaye at the end of percentage as a government. And what's our project in Munia? We have a problem. Say we have no even value land, no. And you see 40%, but we don't know the 40% now can. You can put a finger on say figure way na 40%. Say bia 2 million is equivalent to 40% of the buying ni share no ni ade but the American say I'm so disappointed ni say no matter what and then anka aban ba here no enye adwin bi etachi say keniken wo ma wo di anim no say ye pe asem bi to wo so anka by this time anka ye nya segami ento no ma amanfo enko wiewia no ma na ewo mu no sese enti no saban si ontimi anabe more expensive. It is because the place has been neglected for a very long time. 6 years and counting. And then me sure say time will come we call no kana roofing system dey bobo dan so kana o man fa ko tututu ni nyina. Because as at the time as at last year the Western Housing Committee no call hono. Now security cry ni hono. Ye ja hono ma to hono. But you see ni nyina so ye Ghana sika. Whatever money ye ko busia bia ye ko boy bia whether obi awie bia na so obi awie bi ni ade cry no. Ghana government will pay for the cost of that we never want. And to me, my dream say, Mampenyi, he got it wrong. Menina and Kamin Kasa about this. All I'll tell Ghanaians is say, ye pay, kwaya, ye be faswa, ye be nyasun faswa.
But said no OT in year, no OT sector minister, and so a small can say $200 million, and the amount of 5,000 housing units. Out of that 5,000 units, no, well, we 1,005, and no, at various stages of completion. No, at various stages, but 200 million, no, asa. And no, actually, no, I buy it now, see, or if you munoma, what be here, Abeka, Amaneti Mabuama, why be any permit my ID Juba. It's over $100 million.
Listen to me very carefully.
And they are copy court. If you are buying his wisdom, no. It's to say, or the man now Ankra to take over the place. Every affordability scheme. That's why on the hypocrisy.
You see, let us not pretend say you need the course of Ghana. Now you see, you can't competencies near there. And yes, you get everything right. But you should be who say there's a lot of normal be ye projections ni ye normal ye chise no entimi enko how do you put it cry enkoso ye ni normal be look Minia the American say I'm so disappointed say Mampenyi and take advantage and from assure Ghanaians say ene saban we fi so na say aban over two ejuma bi a aban bi ye na so to aso no say this project I want to start here we the 18 months na by first phase 18 months no I can assure you say by the time we won be we no nye MPP na be wo so after the time MPP 18 months no be so no na MPP ni so the second phase no if they will continue now another government e na be to aso. So the mechanism. Now, share quotations a woman, share quotations a woman buy the cost of each facility now whether it's a single bedroom, a studio, whatever, everything your woman quote in dollars. We have a situation in this country. Debiano, CD, Yesika depreciate. Among 4 aketuans no. Commensurate with the rate at which I see the need depreciating. And it no, Bibia Yabeka say affordable and no. Give ourselves 8-9 months. You need more than 40% of even the middle income person, no, and son or the and pay the labor laws, no. Almost for to classify a facility as affordable, no. The ordinary worker, no, should not use more than 40% of his salary as mortgage. Now we are sure says I did a bit messy. And it, let's accept the fact. They who say, baby, these are things that as we move along. Mitini said, you can go ahead and continue to prosecute whoever. I will say why you be by then but then because they're your property. Your property. Your property. And then why are we saying say what do you call it to be kukumo be mayenkumo? Why are we saying that? Because when we say so would you be co-prisoner? There's a tendency the chances any pan over kwakosisa. And I say bia mustati what do you call it the reason the person was charged with the murder no ebi an woman who say after all and you know after a while so they make nothing and it is a who if you throw the baby away with the bath water now who loses and it is Abano has got it all wrong now me say the motivation you know is not because they cannot but because what do you call it to say at the end babenya didi wo ho no the ombenya di wo ho no omunya obepese obedi wo ho no let me go and start a new one na me nya me cat ni ade that is all motivated this new project and nothing else there's
a big difference between Saglimi and this new project.
Which one?
These are 4 or 5 private major contractors almost patrochay almost ready Rehoboth, Def Traco, State Housing, Frank Paul, and I think the fifth one, Refi. These are major air construction firms. I buy their all say assassin was insurance, drainage, and all those things. No? And then I buy responsibility. No?
Yes.
Now, more Makademusi and almost the start price at all from $20,000 upwards, depending on their own open. So what I say. The other issues I'm saying about the audition there saying about the audition. Clearly, what machine?
No,
you
see, we have
no government accountable.
You see, and yako katiso, yako pa untuma, ejuma ye pese ye. We have not, ye value. Abide be ye, abide be ye a certain percentage. I mean, just that valuation, is not on board. Yeah. Parliament has not approved the whole project. But the people say the issue about Saglemi say very more expensive than this one. Now make actually say at the end of the day, normal mitigating against Saglemi. It's government there. Government buy now go say say this is state property. And yet the individual now who are kissing say wako this car wako yes here. And you hear and I be deciding me to death penalty no. Say obi be kwako ye kwako di bone. Na e twa to no so. Who dey no court. Na say one to boase. Na mo ko sentencing to death. Na you kunu wie na who the truth na.
What do you think of it?
What I'm saying is that the damage that is being caused was Saglemi say at the end of the day say you investigation omo ye no a won wie ye no any court omo kono say ministers omo dey omo so a ye be the day. What are we going to do? Ye dey ta ejuma na ye ja wo ho no na say sika na ye say wo ho no no ye be dey na ye zaka say ga ye charge aban no for causing financial loss anameboa because what the hell am we nyina pro and e koso and the security kwa ni hono mo nfa ko do hono ma
okay so miracles
aban should revisit the issue because oye den aban dia tikana o mo akwa ji o mo see what do you call it ade no nsu no ye den ye betua and intino in term and this is not the first time Aveyime rice project Sana President Kufuor acquired the fashion the same thing.
Maybe I say $170.
No, you see,
simple.
Seriously. Yenyi politics in Fiadim. They what Ghana, corporate Ghana. Now you share investment into those projects we share the value of the investment any the account be so for 6 years you want to say 6 years are buying way buy and all this sika no e ko so Saglemase e mo wie ya anka ogi ni say anka rent kwa won beji wo hono kra no bu no anka betumi ayi bi
miracle brem
anything no any the mami ka jiro hwe say ye be ka say eka ntino yebeka se eka nti de be ye what do you call it Saglemi ye de be ye Saglemi no edoso enti no de sika ye de egum dada no ye nya mani pro is that what you are telling
okay so miracle
No, that is not fair.
Why are we here?
That's not proper.
The
Seriously.
problem for government over the years, and they say the approach to affordable housing has been wrong from day one.
Yeah.
And that was reflected in Saglem, no doubt about that. So, I'm buying Kwaji Bosia $200 million at the bow my way, ANDC are buying. Say, Omodi BC a diner nebo air full. Na Ghana for to me to be. $200 million. Omodi buy say ABC dine cram back 5,000. Na Omodi ama Ghana for ewo into 4 bo na Ghana for to be ato. At the end of the day, $200 million na yeje na etumi ewie dan no mu mako 600 pe instead of 5,000 668 instead of 5,000 enti ura saglemi ho after say you spend $200 million ewie na yentumi enwie dan no saglemi ho no so kra enye ready send nipa be den ebetinam and I think it's very important say you be put the way into proper perspective enti na say after spending $200 million and putting up on this 668 houses instead of 5,000, a buying Sansu here $310 million. And sir, I'm going to be making sure that Saglem no crown. It be to be a day, a year at home. Never me in a beam. Did kind. A buying cut $200 million now, and once out there for court and some crowd to chain. If I want to say here ready, drainage system. My drainage in a call. Such a video so. The drainage system was not completed. Near me to me, I can say, aha, the pay to me at Rano. And then the almost says, you're painting a callous near there. But who ride anymore? We will say, near me be in a car. As I say, to me, answer, ni pay to me at Nampotemo. Look at me, as I let me share. So, of course, it's any purpose. I say, drainage system, no sewage system near the end completely. I bet no way then we use to. And see, project, $200 million, no, I say. A dime 5,000, almost to me and see almost 668. Apart from that, no, Sabain Kase or Sankra Aquafis Kababe to a project, on here almost about $310 million. And no creature on my business, I won't say Sabain the size cannot come one. Nipado do send a woman with more bit made at Tofino. So to the cost of selling. The more mad than a boy dinner, the more will prevent other ordinary Ghanaians from your targets to buy. And see, abayin to saglemi ntwini yo abayin abandon saglemi yo abayin say the beya yensan ko bob besia hundreds of billions of dollars en from be share saglemi mu aye wi a eno echi crampo no Ghana fo ntumi nya ho kwan yenye den en faso no yempe private sector fo bibiye du no yenso ye ka ye bebo no ya ba wie na yema private sector fo musika be den en beto dan no so no mu ye den omu wie aman say kroma enemi no ka say in Grofort to apartment $60,000, $100,000, $500,000 near
$7,000.
And the private sector should take up that responsibility. Omotonwa abayin de kakere wu nom de ayeden. Omo de amano. Na abayin to me this kind of ayeden ayade foforo. What is happening in Pokuase is what government should have done in the past when it comes to affordable housing. And that is exactly what is happening. And now me no ka say Pokuase de no abayin ko de busi efi baby ayo. Abayin kofa Ghana fosi kem fi bibia so de bisi dan. Abayin say ya pass asase. Ye nya asase na mawo. Oman obetumi si dan krenkre be 100 abesi wo so. Ekwan ya ebe ko ho. Nsu ebe ba ho. Ye be ye. Eno na ye abayin ye contribution. So I just say after all say ye affordable housing ye si wo ho na oman me kra makosi mi dan na wo akosi wo dan ya. Abayin betwa kwan ya den aba ho. Abayin de nsu be ye den ebe ba ho. Enti aban contributions a akwan nsuo akania ni nyina no yefa ne say e don be amounted to about 40% of the cost of putting up that whole enclave no na mo hwe no so enfantete adan ne bo so ye den e ma Ghana phone to be because mo ana nka mukosi mu dan wo ho Rehoboth Frampol Def Traco mo ana mukosi mu dan wo ho e na mo amoye makwan ko ho mo amode makania ko ho mo amode mu nsuo ko ho anka mo de be ka dan ne ka no ho. And that is why they are able to sell these apartments for about 13,000. 30,000, about 160,000 Ghana cedis.
It's not
20,000 upwards.
No, it's here. No, it's here. Oh, Jumbo Tre, I'll give you. It's here. The whole thing, everything is here. Studio apartments, $13,800.
Okay, the studio apartment.
Yes, to 1 bedroom, $20,700.
Yeah.
2 bedroom, $334,000. Say affordable housing here, check me on my way mu. Enfa, and I'll back 3 bedroom house for $42,000. Where? In this case, even a cropon, even in the cropon, share a cropon, Adaya, yes, 3 bedroom, yes, almost $150,000. $160,000. So this one day, now say teacher for any clerks, any public servants, or more cleaners, I didn't to me around 50,000, 60,000, 70,000. It's 120,000, 200,000, 300,000 there. Then afford to do na. At least you bet me your money if you move to me GB. And for me, that is what government should have done. So this Okasi for politics on 20 years, he's the one doing politics. This thing of bringing Saglemi in and all of that, it is needless because Omai Senka Saglemi no musi ni say ya. Samusi no say ya can ya. And Omai no kwenko hieska. In the first place. Because the one that is happening now, government is not putting in money. Government is going there to execute our usual responsibility of providing infrastructure. With or without these developments, government would have extended road, government would have extended electricity, government would have extended water. Sometimes you from so say at the end of the year, $200 million. Mukoje bosia $200 million. Say mudi besi dying. Na mudi amagana for 5,000 units. Amu see 5,000 units in na. Ebane say and adano eso dana isi wona man so betimi atema akosire. Say mutu bi trama na year. Sanka mo de man crofo ansa mu fi abayimu. If it was ready, we shouldn't do this to ourselves. Sometimes, like you said, we cannot always get things right. And if we get to the point where we face year, we should stop. Now, we now would $200 million. I will see who see dying or about ton to me a farmer Ghana for no. Dying 5,000, we see just about 600 and something. 1 year drainage, 1 year sewage. We want to be near guts. As I'm pointing fingers at the or no about to mess and say, or no, but no money is certain for causing financial loss. What are we doing to ourselves as a people? For me, what I think we should be doing is that, and it doesn't make sense for any government to pick money to build houses and say, in today's global economy. It makes no sense. Everybody knows that private-public partnership is what actually thrives. There are individuals who want to build. There are a lot of estate companies building. Go and see what Rehoboth is doing around the Ayi Mensa or Yarifa areas. Big, a friend is saying, developments. It costs them. There are things that government can do to reduce our cost for these people so that you and I can buy. That is the job of government. The one who is actually likely to embark on corruption is the one who wants to go and take money and say, I want to build myself. Not the one who says private sector should build. And we should stop this. NDC has no business, moral business to even attempt to bring up the issue of Saglemi Omai. Because the government has not thrown Saglemi away. Abayin say, "Yem pa krankre, no more for musika beshim." Because Abayin to me confess sike biem, and from bam beshim. Omai $200 million. Do you know how much it would have grown to today? That $200 million. Do you know how much it would have grown to today? Which adds up to our debt stock, for which reason our debt is going skyrocketing. Do you know how much it would have grown to? It is sometimes you to your boss a kakra. I didn't be I had a dear. They are buying it's true. And Crown Crash should go and get involved. But Okasa buying some confisca. Yes, I'm for my nisika. Yes, I'm from the Saglemi. You are man phone to me in your scanto. And I enter the free. Okay, so I'm a Crown Crash and senior from so therefore it is cheaper today to build same units for military people at a different location than to go and add money to Saglemi. It is cheaper. Am I $200 million? Oh, my patrol. Oh, my no, let me land. Am I $200 million? See what I mean? We need an additional millions of dollars to go and continue. If I had that additional millions of dollars, it can build me same units in another location for the military people and the teachers and the nurses.
You see, that government has no excuse. Woman need excuse to cry.
But about an excuse.
Listen, the point that you see, if you allow the thing, you expose the whole project, to theft, to whether it's an eyesore. Materials woman told you go. Woman janning in a go a crumple we are. Woman man for vandalizing the whole place. Boom. The place has been cannibalized by thieves. What's the fact? No,
$200 million. What do you think?
Hold it. The American say, "Woman sit down. Also, any habitable. Even before we left, Now, Western housing has started a year allocation for the ones that we know. Maybe almost start here.
What the camera?
What did they make? Almost start here. Now, if you go there, so the camera no calls. It's because they left the place. The reason why they need more money now is because the place has been neglected for how many years now?
But that study was not just yesterday.
Oh, what are you talking about? No. Oh, no. Oh, please. No, please.
The abattoir mountain as to what they need is not just yesterday.
No, you see, and then you see the other issue, you know, say, what is before the court, you know? Well, it is in court. What is before the court, you know? The agreement now, you know. The thing was supposed to be in phases. And we see first one, the same Sikano, and the old even
with the faces.
That's even worse.
Okay. Oh, please.
Even with the faces.
With what?
Even with the faces. If you look at the houses completed there and the amount that has been sunk in it.
$200 million.
Now, the amount, you see, the amount now, we're sinking into it, you know. It includes, what do you call it, provision of a sewage system, road, electricity, water, and everything. Yes, I have seen it. Have you seen the document? No, it's not about being to the place. He
hasn't been to the place.
Have you seen the contract document?
Now, hold it.
It is kind of enemy catch. Oh no, enemy catch. Me say, no, sewage system, road, water, electricity.
There's no drainage system. There's no drainage.
No, remember, wait. Roads. Only defended. No, but there's a major lapse. You don't destroy. No, you don't destroy the project and then come.
When you use the word destroy,
allow the project to rot.
No,
you have allowed the
because we can't go and add additional money.
No. That's not it.
So, Adia Bako is a and Ghana.
Yes.
Meaning is a Ben Bia whether MPP and this year. Such Ujinawa edifice go come in or be abandoned for no reason.
Well, the answer as a Kupado.
So the first question is that Uji Tum say Yama NDC Amanyu Kuno and are buying 200 million Ghana dollars.
Yes.
Uji Tum said that $200 million was supposedly to build 5,000.
No.
Units. Okay, so 1,500. Is that
That's
correct?
right. Yes.
As of the time at the consumption of the year, 200 million coin. Not a dan crase anymore.
And I make catcher say project, no, a year revolving fund. Oh, please. You sell.
Don't do this.
And then you go. No, that's it.
$200 million for 600 houses.
What I'm saying. No. Why?
$200 million at Saglem for 600 houses. All of you should be jailed.
Listen.
What are you talking about?
Other
as of the time, Sigana $200 million nasa. Not dan kurase na no maye.
668.
Why the can't say Sigana ansana if you are.
And Sigana way.
Oh no, please. But why the can't say Sigana?
That has been government's issue. There's no money. They can't trace to what
you come back. I mean, you come into government. There are projects that are ongoing. You allow the project to sink to such a level.
You are so missing.
No, when was the last time? Oh, please. No. What am I doing to myself? The first thing they come. No. When they came, the first thing was to haul those who were leading, fronting the thing to court. Without even visiting the place.
Oh, how?
I am telling you.
What are you talking about?
I am telling you.
Sometimes
please. No. The first thing that was in contention was the fact that the project, the content has been varied. And they all caught
because what the $200 million
please.
The 5,000
amongst the two parties within the same party. Between E.T. Mensah and then
don't bring him.
No, why not? Why not?
Bring that in. Don't bring that in.
That is where the truth is.
But they make us say the issue is about
$200 million.
Whatever the level.
This is at 9 o'clock here, and at 12 midday, by close of day 6, they were there. Every day watching a Badwam on Adom TV, no. Apart from say we see in Koma Ekoso, we are seeing Ghana, no. yesa adane shebre sesafo e nkoma game park for the bro every day 9 12 6 na o shebre sesa jalope just let's keep hoping I check around 95 no say neoma sesa o bia na oso adane be mankasa that game park for so ase because miracle bajiwanum says house no quality tell abuso Adom City Estate for real estate for Timen Cow say 2-bedroom detached and semi-detached 3-bedroom detached and semi-detached and a 3-bedroom executive detached no or also a ton at the amount o say unya sika free 300,000 econo na unya kwanyet mi asidan amosidan ama so afro efira de fa kanea insuo de fa akwan community police station and afi bia nkwadano kwa be kusku obasiesie ni nyina wo Adom City for plan sa na tie afi bambo de 247 bibia na namna kwam kama edema meka obiem so se ene ope won sa asni bia to abefre 0308250068 0308250068 and I say ope omo community baby asa miamia we bi community 25 tema and afi matayeko and afi kaswa wrap up Mokliti. Yes, do you want to wrap up?
Oh, no money there also. I'm saying from Bank of Ghana to fuel prices, but no borders on the economy and where this government has taken us. Now, Enra, you started to discuss statement that Finance Minister by Parliament. Now, I'm saying with the miracles, with the finance, I'm saying I'm for suti. Baby, I do say no. I'm saying Finance Minister, I can be say, oh, we need to build consensus. We need to come together because there were situation where you want, and yeah, they are pleasant, and all shoulders must be on the wheel and whatever. Now, the name fan. And Obibisa said that because once upon a time, no matter how society before Ghana, more fun but you see a futu and sakra nipa this is sorry. But the embassy make sure Abayana say any spokespersons in there. If they want everybody on board, because in fact, we share a situation you won't say now. The numbers, the fundamentals, to borrow Baumia, the fundamentals, you know. And the targets. Yeah. Oh, na say or no can not the bio. The fundamentals. When the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you. But when the exchange rate is exposing you, there, and then it doesn't really mean say the fundamentals are weak. That is Baumia's theorem. But the embassy minister say all the projections that were done by this government, the targets, inflation, we're projecting 18%. They say we ended up with 54. They say 42. We are projecting to end the year by, with an inflation rate of 38%. Our revenue targets near Dinina Edda form. What it means is there's a lack of competencies. Oh baby, okay. We say now revenue measures on the ban. Yes, sorry, TI. Yes, sorry, TI because you will say intimi achieve the 1%. Now we're advising them and they didn't. Yeah, woman fat. Because and then we share taxes. Near the ban with the aba. We share Bosian, woman bo, bibrebe, near dinina. Any a juma woman the aye. Emma Ghana for ye who tree and see no. And we here say what they will tone down. Because o share wo mukasa emu a baby a edu sese no enye mre a wo mu beba betawte ene bibi a wo ma ya ebroso because to say we are not out of the woods cry. And it is our the economy has 10, what do you call it? Turning around, normal stabilizing, things are getting better. Omu hasting slowly, and now say omu praise because baby I do know and most static casa any strikes no man never cause because if you are telling us that things are getting better, then the workers would also rise up, say, pay better remuneration. What friends saying, school feeding for, it means to our car, near the super sorry. But the fact is that let's accept, yin tum say, said, okay, usi saglemi, yin tum say something went wrong. Let's accept the fact, say, Bia. Normal, yes, you no need the and baby, I fast no. Any bosia do doa. You see a problem. Nankasa. Bosia do doa yaji. We went a borrowing too much. The very thing I criticize here, under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Ya baba ya manabuso. Akoye se uye jumani etu aka 10 cedis. Na wachi bosia. Udi 9 cedis and 9.9. Okay, you become the most Ubi bia basa. And no nama you be basa. I'm to the extent say and then
okay, thank you.
Oh my
we are crossing over for a live feed. We cannot continue again.
We are crossing over. But the point is that we able to end this for no. They feel same baby we should be in darkness and gloom. Oh my finance minister more kind say
me cross over.
Oh, but how would you do this
from the national office? Me that's it.
Apologize to me and I
apologize to you.
No, because me to you.
Oh,
there be on my
apologize.
So when you invite me on a panel,
so